Welcome to BioMeta AI. You're about to see how we're transforming clinical trial setup from a manual, time-consuming chore into an intelligent, automated powerhouse. In this walkthrough, we'll explore the key capabilities that streamline your operations and enhance data quality. You'll learn how to build studies faster with a level of accuracy and consistency that manual entry simply can't match. Ready to see it in action? Let's learn about each feature one by one, starting with how we turn a static PDF protocol into living data. Building EDC specifications from a study protocol used to take weeks of manual transcription and cross-referencing. Not anymore. With BioMeta AI, we've turned hours of searching and typing into a few simple clicks. It all starts here. To begin, simply navigate to the Upload dashboard. Take your final study protocol document, whether it's 50 pages or 500, and drop it right into the portal. Once the upload is complete, BioMeta AI goes to work. Our engine immediately begins scanning the document, identifying key data points, visit schedules, and inclusion/exclusion criteria. It's not just reading the text. It's understanding the clinical structure. In moments, BioMeta AI generates a comprehensive set of EDC specifications. Instead of building from scratch, your team starts at the finish line, reviewing pre-populated, structured data that's ready for validation. Simple, fast, and remarkably accurate. That's how BioMeta AI accelerates your study build. Once BioMeta AI generates your specifications, they are hosted in our intuitive, web-based review portal. This is the single source of truth where biostatisticians, data managers, and clinicians come together to finalize the study design. Reviewing is now a conversation, not a series of emails. With collaborative annotation, any stakeholder can comment directly on specific fields or forms, suggest modifications to edit checks in real time, flag potential issues before they ever reach the EDC. You have granular control. Reviewers can approve or reject sections individually, ensuring only the most accurate specifications move forward. In clinical trials, accountability is everything. BioMeta AI maintains a rigorous version control system. Every comment, modification, and approval is logged in a permanent audit trail. This ensures full traceability and strict adherence to 21 CFR Part 11 requirements. You'll always know who changed what, when, and why. Transforming complex protocols into verified, compliant specifications has never been this collaborative. Congratulations! Your EDC specifications are officially approved. Now that the hard work of designing is done, it's time to move your metadata into the real world. Our platform makes it seamless to transition from design to deployment. Navigating to the export menu, you'll find a variety of industry-standard options. Whether you're heading straight into a database or preparing for a regulatory review, we have you covered. If you're ready for direct import, we support ODM versions 1.3 and 2.0, as well as JSON. Since ODM is the industry standard, our files are compatible with almost every major EDC on the market. Just select your version, hit export, and you're ready to go. This is the ODM code that can be easily imported to your choice of EDC. But it's not just about the code. For your internal reviews and legal requirements, you can generate Excel Data Dictionary, a comprehensive metadata repository for quick reference and bulk edits. Annotated PDF forms. Clear visual representations of your forms, perfect for clinical teams and regulatory submissions. Starting a new project shouldn't mean starting from scratch. With BioMeta AI, you can jumpstart your EDC specifications by simply uploading your existing Excel study sheet. Choose your product type and select a template that fits your therapeutic area. In seconds, our system parses your spreadsheet and builds a structured specification ready for action. Transparency is built into the workflow. You can download the Excel Data Dictionary at any time to share with clients for cross-checking or final approvals. It's the familiar format everyone knows, making the feedback loop faster and more collaborative. Before you incorporate external feedback, it's vital to protect your work. Save a control version of your original EDC specifications. This creates a secure, time-stamped baseline of your study before any modifications are applied. Got changes back from the client? No manual data entry required. Simply take that shared Excel sheet, complete with client edits, and use the Upload Excel feature. BioMeta AI intelligently reads the document and automatically adds any new fields or modifications directly into the system. Here's where it gets powerful. Once the new file is in, you can perform a version comparison between your original study and the new one with a single click. Every change, addition, or deletion is highlighted instantly. It's the most efficient way to track the evolution of your study and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. BioMeta AI, bridging the gap between the flexibility of Excel and the precision of a professional EDC build. BioMeta AI allows you to standardize your workflow by building a library of reusable assets. Let's start by creating a foundation for your future studies. First, create your own study template. Be sure to add a clear template name and a proper description. This ensures easy understanding and quick selection of your custom-made template for you and your entire team later on. Once saved, your newly created template will be available in the system. As you can see, when you navigate to the Import feature, your custom template is immediately available in the selection menu. By defining your own templates, you ensure every study starts with the highest level of consistency and speed. In a landscape where speed and compliance are non-negotiable, BioMeta AI gives you a distinct advantage. Faster time to market. Launch studies ahead of schedule and accelerate product timelines. Outpace the competition. While others are stuck in the manual build phase, you're already collecting data. Improved sponsor confidence. Deliver results that prove your reliability and technical edge. We offer more than just software. We offer a better value proposition. By enabling faster trial startups and quicker data insights, you provide sponsors with the ultimate return on investment. At BioMeta AI, innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's our core value. Contact now.